Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two things. You have a Google account and WordPress admin rights. Once confirmed, open Google Analytics and create a GA4 property. Next, get the measurement ID, it begins with G, and copy it. Then, in WordPress, install a simple header or scripts plugin, or prepare to edit your theme header. PHP if you prefer manual insertion. This prepares the site to receive the tracking code and avoids breaking the site later when you add code. Now you add the tracking. If using a plugin, open its custom scripts or analytics section and paste the GA4 snippet or just the measurement ID into the provided field, then save. If editing header. PHP, insert the full GA4 script block immediately before the closing head tag. Make sure you're in a child theme or backed up. Once done, clear caches and disable any script blockers. This ensures the script loads on every page and sends data to your new property. Finish by verifying data flow. Open Google Analytics Real-Time or Debug View while visiting your site. You should see active users and page events. If nothing appears, clear WordPress and CDN caches, then disable optimization or adblock-like plugins temporarily. They often block scripts. Also check the browser console for JavaScript errors or duplicate tags that conflict. If you still have issues, remove the script, test with only the plugin, and re-add step by step to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.